Satnam, we're introducing a new Karam Kriya for Kundalini Yoga session coming up in May this year, 2019. And the topic is Karam Kriya for Gyan Yoga. Gyan means the light of consciousness. It's sometimes translated as gnosis or wisdom or the yoga of contemplative reflection. So we're going to be exploring how from consciousness itself and where and what we direct our consciousness on, how does it work that we can set our awareness towards a certain topic, reflect on that topic and continue the reflection on that topic to such a point that it becomes transforming. This morning I was reading a hukum from the Shabad Guru, from the Guru Granth Sahib, and it was about the body being a horse, and then the human is the rider on that horse, and there's a journey through the life we have to make. It's just an example why we have this metaphor, what could it mean for us, and how by sitting deeply into those kind of ideas can it become actually life transforming and life enhancing. So it's not only about God realization in the sense of leaving this world or transcending, although that is part of it, but also how do those metaphors as forms of contemplation also transform our life today? How does that make how I live in this body, in this environment, how do I live that through the contemplation on these kind of metaphors? These examples, okay, this is Gyan Yoga is the topic, and how can Karam Kriya, study of numerology, study of life through numbers, numbers through life, how can that serve us to deepen our grasp of these kind of mystical metaphors and the stages of development of the awareness? And you can come along, you can bring your questions.
It's about like studying the Sri Guru Granth Sahib?
That's part of it. That's only, I just realized that now as I was saying it. Some of the metaphors that are there become a means for Gyan Yoga. Exactly that. There's a pori in the Japti which is saying Gyan Kanya. It's a description of that realm of Gyan. And so that's like a starting point, really, to see what is the Guru telling us about Gyan and how can we take that further. There are many references to Gyan, and of course we have a mudra called Gyan Mudra, but it's not enough to just say, oh, it means intuitive awareness. It's a whole yoga in itself to develop, so we want to go into detail and, put it in practice. Satnam.